So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the twists and see how it worked. Yes, sis, yes, come through with the curls. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to be doing a hair product review. More specifically, we are going to be testing out some natural hair product. And when I say natural hair products, I mean the product themselves are natural. They are made out of all natural ingredients, no chemicals, no parabens, no nothing. Everything is natural. And the best part about it is that this company is owned by a Black woman, just like myself. So the company I'm talking about, you guys have probably heard about them. They are called Natural Club. You guys have probably seen some commercials here and there. I've seen them 1,000 times. So I was super excited when they wanted to partner with me. This is going to be probably my first hair product review. I normally don't do them because I'm very picky when it comes to my hair. I'd rather just do it myself. That's why you guys always see me do these like natural hair treatments with my aloe vera, my rice water, my avocado. So when they contacted me, best believe I went and read every ingredient. I checked out everything just to make sure that everything was safe and natural. So I have 3 products here. So the first thing on the list here is their medium hold avocado curl custard. This is what it looks like. So this is what the custard looks like. So this is the consistency of it. So it's kind of gel-like, but not too jelly. It feels really soft and it smells amazing. You guys know that I'm a sucker for good smell. This is the kind of hair product that I would want to put on my head to go to sleep. I don't know if you guys have used some of those, you know, stinky hair products and you go to sleep and you can't sleep because your hair stinks. But this smells absolutely amazing and this is what it looks like. The next thing here is a leave-in conditioner. So this is their Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand and show you guys. It feels really soft. It also has almost the same smell as the curl custard. It has a really smooth but thick consistency. And then last but not least, I'm gonna be using their pure avocado oil. So this is what the oil looks like. The oil has the regular oil consistency, and the great thing about it is it doesn't have a strong smell. It just has a light scent, which is great. So I'm gonna be using these 3 products to create a twist out. I washed and conditioned my hair last night, so I wanted to do a twist out, and you guys know that my last twist out that I did, I used the Cantu products. So this time I'm gonna be using the Natural Club products. So I just want to see how it's gonna work, how my twist out is gonna turn out. And so it's nighttime. If you guys can't tell, it's about 11 o'clock. Like I said, my hair is clean. I washed it last night. So this is what it looks like. I already have it in little twists and I'm gonna go twist by twist to apply the product. So I'm gonna take the twist out. So my hair is not completely dry. As you can see, it's a little bit wet. It's not completely dry. I did it that way on purpose just because I want this to be a nice, smooth process. So I finally found my Daymint brush, my detangling brush. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna detangle my hair and then I'm gonna apply the product. I also have an Afro pick comb here. So I'm going to be using that to comb through my hair as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pure avocado oil and apply it to my hair and my scalp. So I'm just going to take a little bit, like so. I'm going to rub it in my hands and rub it on my hair just to give it that shine. So this process is just going to help me keep the moisture in my hair. So again, I'm going to grab some more oil. This time I'm gonna apply it to my scalp. I think you guys have heard me say this before, but I love avocado oil, and especially the fact that this one is natural. It's absolutely amazing. Now we have our oil. So then I'm gonna grab some leave-in conditioner and then rub it on my hair as well. Guys, I really like the smell. I don't know how to compare the smell. It has a little bit of a citrusy smell, a little bit of avocado, And yeah, it's like a citrusy smell to me. That's the vibe I'm getting. I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's the vibe I'm getting. So now we have the leave-in conditioner in. I'm gonna divide this. So there, I have it divided. So I'm gonna put this one away, and then I'm gonna use this for my first twist. So now I'm just gonna grab the curl custard, this much, rub it in my hand. It's kind of slippery, y'all. Look at that. I wish I could make you guys smell it. Smell this. It smells so good. Okay, so I have it in my hair. I'm gonna take my detangler and detangle it with the custard in it, like so. And then now I'm gonna twist. So this is our first twist. So I've already applied the leave-in conditioner and the oil to this one. So all I'm gonna do is apply the curl custard. The thing that I found that really makes your twist out come out really good is to detangle it. Make sure your hair is super detangled. Your curls just come out better that way. Another good way to get a really good result from your twist out is to let it completely dry. So even if it takes you 2 days to dry your hair, do that, because when it's completely dry, your curls come out way bouncier and just way prettier. I'm really excited to see how this differs from my previous twist outs with different products. So we're in the back. I'm on that back section. I'm gonna take a little bit of the custard right there, and I'm just gonna rub it on my hair, but I want you guys to see this. Look at my curls. Look how defined my curls already look. Guys, look how pretty that is. Oh my god. I always tell you guys that the back of my hair is definitely curlier than the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start twisting. So sometimes as I twist, if that portion of my hair is really long, I like to detangle as I twist. That way there's no kinks or bumps along the way. So this entire side is done, and these are what the twists look like. This is what my entire head is looking like. These are my twists, nice and shiny. So it's super late over here. I have my bonnet. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, put my hair in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine to get this makeup off. I'm gonna go to sleep, and then when I wake up tomorrow, I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay friends, it's been about 12 hours. I slept for about 7 hours, and then I woke up. I had to do my housework, take care of the baby, blah blah blah. Anyways, I went ahead and took a shower, did my makeup, and here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the twists and see how it worked. Okay, so let's get started. I have my bonnet on. This is what I used to sleep, and then when I woke up this morning, I kind of took it off just because I wanted it to dry more. So here are my twists. Let me show you guys what the twist looks like. So they are completely dried. So definitely the twist out should turn out really good because it's dry. So I have a hair clip here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my hair up, or at least the rest of them, so that I can, get them out of the way. So, as you guys know, when I take my twist out, I like to have a little bit of oil so that my fingers are slippery, just so I'm not breaking my hair. So, I have my oil here. I have a little container. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil in it. And then I'm gonna use that to dip my fingers in it to take my twist out, like so. So we're just gonna take the twist out. Look at that. The curls are intact. Okay, the first twist is out. I'm gonna get this one out of the way. And then further untwist this one. Oh my God, okay, come through, curls, look. Ah, okay. All right, we're not even halfway through and I'm already impressed, okay? I like the fact that my hair still smells really good. It's still smooth. My hair is not getting tangled at all. And so far, I don't see any white flakes. That is a plus because you guys know that a lot of curling products or, you know, a lot of twist outs turns out, you know, with like white flakes, and I hate those because then you do your hair, you go out and people are like, do you have dandruff problem? You're like, no, it's my hair product. Are you sure? Do you need to see a doctor for that? So that is definitely a plus. Okay, so this side is done. So far, I'm impressed. All right, let's move on to this side. Okay, y'all, I have taken the twist out. Oh my God, look at the shine on that thing. It's definitely very shiny. So what I'm gonna do is, right now, it's a little flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tease it a little bit. So I have a comb right here. This is an Afro pick comb. Let me show you guys the back, by the way. This is what the back looks like. It's full, but still a little flat. So I'm just gonna take my comb and tease it a little bit. So I'm gonna grab my comb and then just tease it from the root. Look at these curls, yo. Look at this. Wow. I almost want to do a side part because that's my signature look. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do a side part? You guys, this is so beautiful. I can't even begin to tell you guys. Oh my God. And my hair feels so soft. So soft. Oh my God. I don't know what to say, y'all. I can't stop playing with my hair. Maybe flip it to this side. Let's try that. Let's flip it to this side. Oh, yes. Yes, please. Yes. I was gonna do a middle part, but I think I like, you know, my usual, the side part. Yes, come through with the curls. Yes, please. Yes. I am so impressed. Let me do just a little bit of baby hair. 1 second. See, I have a toothbrush here. I have my Eco Stylish gel. I'm just gonna define the front of my hair a little bit. Nothing big. I'm gonna get this part out of the way. There we go. We got some baby hair. Not much, but it's something. So you guys, this is what we have. I absolutely love it. My hair is soft, shiny, bouncy. Curls are on fleek. I don't know if anyone says that anymore, but my curls are on fleek. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm so happy. Like, I can't stop playing with my hair. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the back. Let me show you guys the back real quick. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, family, this is the final result. I'm super happy. I'm super satisfied. My curls As you can see, they speak for themselves. Thank you so much to Natural Club for sending me their products to test out. I tested it out and I absolutely love it. And if you guys want to try these products out as well, I'm going to leave their link and their info down in the description below. And I'm also going to leave a discount code for you guys to help you guys out. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also guys, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle so you guys can follow me on there to see my natural hair journey. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.